Hello everyone. Today I have received this Vega 64 graphics card. Fault is unknown. I'm just unboxing it right now. Let's see. I'm gonna start by measuring 3.3 volt line and 12 volt line. Volt no short, 3.3 volt no short. Check the power inlets. Ground up. Batteries going out. It's a good multimeter, but the batteries just goes out very quickly. Okay, let me try to put this on the riser and try to get some detection, hopefully. PCI. And we got detection. I will boot up on Windows now, try to see if the GPU-Z sees it. It came up as Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Drivers are not installed. Let me check with the device manager what it says. Okay, so it didn't give code 43. It says drivers are not installed. Now I will use the driver uninstaller and install the correct ones. Now we can install the drivers. That's weird. Okay, it might be memory issue. Now I'm going to run the memory test. Well, it passed the memory test. Card's now detected and driver sees it. Okay, now restart. I will put the display port in. We got signal now. Okay, I will put the card in the main PCI slot instead of riser. Let's see if that gives any errors. Looks like it's thermally throttling a bit, reaches 80 degrees and the performance has dropped a bit. So I'm gonna open the card, visual inspect it and apply fresh paste and check if there's anything else wrong with it and run the memory test while cooler is uninstalled. That sometimes shows if the memory chip or the core connections are not making a good contact. I will need to replace these ones. We got a scratch here. Doesn't look like the traces are cut off, but we have a bad scratch here. Yep, all those pads needs to be replaced now. There's barely thermal paste. So this one won't affect anything. I can just put some UV masking on it. And here too. And backside. That looks like they're fine as well. I will take that piece off because I don't want it to rip off and short something on the board. And overall, checking the backside. They will be clean in ultrasonic. And that one, when I dip into alcohol, I think if there is a problem with it, it will clean it hopefully. And some serious rust here. I know if I can clean this further. Ultrasonic is still heating up, so I will try to clean this, probably check it into ultrasonic as well. Ooh, there is even a dead bug in here. Oh. Oof. So after testing the graphics card on the benchmark PC, I realized one of the BIOSes has Vega 64 BIOS and the other one has Vega 56 BIOS. Interestingly, Vega 56 one works and 64 one does not work. So I'm gonna take out the BIOS chips, reprogram them to 64. But before that, I will ensure this is a Vega 64 and the cooler is not changed. So here we see shaders is 4096, and this means the card is Vega 64 definitely. but when I'm checking this card on GPU-Z, first BIOS shows as Vega 56 and the second one is 64, but 64 one doesn't work, so I'm gonna continue flashing the correct ones now. So card is now fixed. It passed all the benchmarks and stress tests. After cleaning and flashing the correct BIOS in it, it works perfectly fine. Temperature's in the range. Yeah, this card is ready. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and see you till next time.